Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. This is an English class for Standard 2 students. Chapter 10, Sarah's Fast Airplane Trip. Dear student, this is a topic about a memory of a little child which name is Sarah. She first time travels in airplane. So dear students, let's come to the topic and discuss about this chapter. Chapter 10, Sarah's Fast Airplane Trip. Dear students, you may read this chapter at your home with the help of your parents. In this class, I only explain this chapter. You listen it mindfully. Sarah is going on a trip. She and her mother have packed their bags. That means Sarah is going on a trip. First, Sarah is starting for a trip. She and her mothers have packed their bags. They take a taxi to the airport. That means उन्होंने एक टैक्सी को एयरपोर्ट जाने के लिए बुक किए थे. It's my first airplane trip. She tells the taxi driver. Sarah tells the taxi driver, it was my first airplane trip. That's great, the taxi driver says. That means the taxi driver also encouraged the Sarah. They collect their boarding pass. Boarding pass means when we journey in a ship or a plane, we collect this boarding pass. Like this is a ticket. In when we journey in bus, we collect a ticket like this boarding pass. An X-ray machine checks their bags in an airplane in station airport. An X-ray machine checks their bags. At last, it's the time to go board the plane. Sarah rolls her little bags onto the plane. It's my first plane trip, she tells the air hostess. That means again Sarah tells the air hostess, it was my first airplane trip. Same thing, the air hostess also welcomed the Sarah. Sarah finds her seat and buckles her seat belt. That means Sarah finds her seat and buckles her seat belt. उसने seat belt को बांध लिया. The plane's engines rumble and roar. When the plane started to journey, the engines rumbles and roars. Sarah opens her little bag and pulled out her teddy. सारा ने क्या किया ना अपनी बैग को खोला और उसमें अपनी टेडी को निकाला. It was my first plane trip, she whispers. Whispers means happily. Happily, she always said her teddy, it was my first airplane trip. The plane runs faster and faster. It takes up from the Sarah's window. When the plane runs faster, Sarah takes up the window. The cars and houses look like toys. When Sarah look the window of the plane, the cars and houses look like toys. Sarah smiles. Guess what? Sarah smiled. Sarah ने हंसा क्योंकि guess what? Teddy says flying is fun. उसने सोचा कि flying is fun क्योंकि जब जितना बड़ा बड़ा कार और घर था वो एक टॉय के जैसा दिखाई देता है जब वो एरोप्लेन में जर्नी करता था, तो इसलिए उसको वो ट्रिप बहुत अच्छा लगा. This is the story about Sarah's first airplane trip. Sarah is a little girl like you. You also happy when you got new dresses, new bags, etc. Like this, Sarah also happy when he first time journey in a airplane trip. Now, this is a hard copy in which I write all the new words with their meaning. You help of these words and try to understand this chapter. Now, I discussing comprehension of this chapter due to lack of time. First, choose the correct option. That means there are three options. You can choose the only right option. Like Sarah goes to the airport by bus, car or taxi. Sarah goes to the airport by taxi. So you should take on the taxi. And dash checks the bags. X-ray machine, trolley, both A and B. No, and dash checks the bag and X-ray machine. So it took tick put and checks the bag. Sarah pulls out her desk from her bag. Sarah pulls out her desk, doll, toy car or teddy. Sarah pulls out her teddy from the bags. From Sarah's window, the cars and houses look like desks, toys, robots, trees. From the Sarah's window, the cars and houses look like toys. write 2 for true and F for false statement. That means if the statement is wrong, then you should write F. If the statement is true, then you write T. Like Sarah was traveling with her father. No, false. Sarah was traveling with her mother. This was Sarah's first aeroplane trip. Yes, this was Sarah's first aeroplane trip. A tiger roars and rumbles in the plane. No, an engine roars and rumbles in the plane. That means aeroplane engine. Sarah holds her teddy bear tightly. Yes, Sarah holds her teddy bear tightly. Next, this is a long question. What did Sarah say to the taxi driver? Sarah ने टैक्सी ड्राइवर को क्या बोला? Sarah told the taxi driver that it was her first plane trip. Number 2. What did Sarah collect in order to board the plane? Sarah collected her boarding passport in order to board the plane. Third, who greeted Sarah when she entered the plane? When she entered the plane, an air hostess greeted her. Number IB, what does Sarah tell Teddy? Sarah told Teddy that flying was fun. Next, answer the following question with reference to context. That means there are a line, welcome abroad. With this line, we also give answers these questions like, why says this and to whom? Welcome abroad. Who says this and to whom? वो किसने किसको वाला था? An air hostess said this to Sarah. When did the speaker said this? The air hostess said this when Sarah boarded the plane. Next, find and underline the compound words within sentence like rain plus coat, raincoat, bird plus house, birdhouse. Like this, there are 4 sentences. In each sentence, there is a word which is compound words. That means 2 words make 1 word. Dragonflies are beautiful insects. Which one is compound words? Dragonflies. Dragon plus flies is equal to dragonflies. So you should underline in this word. I love to have pancakes for breakfast. There are compound words pancakes. Pan plus cakes equal pancakes. So underline in this word. The postman delivers our mail. Postman. Post plus man equal to postman. So you underline in this word. The sun rises is beautiful in the mountains. Which one is compound word? Sun rises. Sun rises. Sun plus rise equal to sunrises. Like this, sun plus sets equal sunsets. So you underline in this word. Next, underline the preposition in the following sentence. You know, preposition are the words that show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun with some other noun, other words in a sentence. So in this word, you should underline in the preposition like the fruits are in the basket in each preposition. In the second sentence, the bat is under the bed. Under. Number 3, the boy is sitting on a chair. On. The bird flew over the tree. Over. My house is between the garage and the garden. My house is between. Between is preposition. So you should underline in these words. This is your hard copy in which I write all the short notes and comprehension questions of this chapter. You should read and write at your home with carefully with the help of your parents. If you have any doubt, you may call now. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and wait for my next class.